Hello, this is Viviana Diaz with a new video tutorial on how to add blocks to your courses. Okay, so let's explain that blocks are elements that you can add to your course to precisely add more information or add extra information and content to your course. Okay, so first of all, let's turn editing on. Okay, and as you can see, I have already added one block, which is activities, to provide quick access to students to the different activities in the course. Okay, so let's click here, add the block. They are organized in alphabetical order. And we are going to add, first of all, latest announcements. Let's wait a little bit, and I'm going to move it at the top of my block. Okay, good. So I'm going to add another one, the completion progress bar, which is very useful. It's a very visual feature that students can have to check where they are and what's left to be done. So let's add it. Okay, very well then. So I have already 3 blocks here, and I'm going to add one more. Okay, which can be, let's see, badges. I like this one. I'm going to add latest badges as well, but first of all, I'm going to add this one, level up. I love this because I want to see. Okay, good. I want to see that, just that precisely. Okay, so very good then. So here we are. Let's see how it is. Okay, 4. It's good to see that. Well, that's it. And here the ranking. I don't know why it is. Okay, let's see after this video tutorial what this ranking means, and in that way I can explain to my students. And I think that's it. I'm going to close it up, turn editing off, and goodbye. See you later.